my 6 audience members. Did you know that over 1 million animals are poisoned, burned, crippled, and abused in other ways in the U.S. during a 1-year period? This statement was made by PETA, the People for the Ethical Treatment of Animal Rights. The PETA is also the largest animal organization fighting for animal rights within the United States. Now, imagine that your own dog or cat was one of these 1 million animals abused by animal testing in the United States. Would you do something to help them? Today, I want to inform you what animal testing is, why it is harmful, and how you can help. All right, so first of all, animal testing is also known as animal experimentation or animal research. The dictionary definition is the use of non-human animals in research and development products, especially for purposes of determining the safety of substances such as foods or drugs. This is the dictionary definition. Animal testing is a type of cruelty that is legal throughout the entire United States. What makes animal testing so unethical is that animals are pumped full of drugs, rubbed with products, beaten, abused, and experimented on for no reason whatsoever. Animal testing is ineffective compared to other methods that have been scientifically proven to work versus animal testing. Less than 2% of human illnesses are even seen in animals. This was a statement made by the Beagle Freedom Project, which is a movement that fights animal testing and mainly focuses on saving beagles, since 96% of animals are beagles that are tested on in the United States. Over 92% of experimental drugs that are safe and effective in animals fail in human conditions, since animals and people are very different. This was also a statement made by PETA. There are more ethical methods to test drugs and food and beauty products on than animals. One of the more successful ways is vitro testing, which imitates human organs by using human cells, which they place on glass chips. They also get human volunteers, and computer modeling has also been proven to work. So how can you help? Well, for starters, you can stop buying products that endorse and test on animals. So I have a list. This is a list of different companies that have been known to test on animals. And now this is only a few, and as you can see, this is a pretty decent amount. So one of the ones that strikes out immediately is IAMS, which makes dog food. Kind of ironic because they're supposed to be helping animals, and at the same time they're actually hurting them. Other popular ones are P&G, Tide, and Avon, which is a beauty company that endorses women and naturally kind of upping their natural beauty. Alright. Another thing that you can do to help is to buy products that aren't tested on animals. Now, there are a good amount of companies that do not test on animals at this point in time. Two of the ones I personally use, I use Lush, which they do makeup, and they also do beauty products. So I have a few here. I have one of the body scrubs. They also do shower gels, shampoos. They have makeup. This is my mascara. Things for your lips, like lip balm, lip scrubs. And then the other brand I use for my makeup is Urban Decay, which is also completely against animal cruelty and uses vegan and all-natural products. So here's my foundation, and I have an eyeliner and some different eyeshadows. Now, a way you can figure out which company tests on animals, I have this app on my phone. It's called the Bunny Free app. It is free. You can download it for your iPhones or your smartphones. Now what you can do is when you go into a store and you're confused on whether something is tested on animals or not, you can scan the barcode or you can type in the name of the product. And this will tell, the app will tell you if it is a safe company or if it is a company that does tests on animals. Alright, you can also adopt or foster an animal. To learn more about this, I recommend that you go to beaglefreedomproject.org and they will tell you how you can get involved in adopting or fostering an animal. You can also donate to Beagle Freedom, PETA, and numerous other organizations to help stop animal testing and other animal welfare and abuses. I have 2 pillows here. There's a lot of fun things that different companies do. This is from the ASCPA. And when I bought these pillows, some parts of the pillow cost went to their organization to help against animal abuse. So there's a few things like that you can do as well. Here's my other one. This is Pause for a Cause. Okay. So in conclusion, remember that animal testing is an unnecessary torture and abuse of animals, yet it is still legal in all the states, all 50 states. And remember, the most important thing is that they are more than numbers.